Dallago. Remember that I have a speech impediment. It's English. Try to follow me if you can. And let's get started. For 4 people, I made 3 cups of rice. I will use oil, salt. I lean this way. Oil, salt, sofrito. You can use Goya. That's not the best, but it's okay. I use some cilantro, adobo, sesame,
Cubito.
chicken bouillon or cubitos, comino, some cayenne pepper. You can use green pigeons if that's what you like, or
Beans.
regular beans. And this is the chicken for later. Then we're gonna marinate. Let's just start with this. Let me turn on the stove. And I put it high. That's me. 1/8 cup of oil. Stop following me.
Okay.
I use the whole chicken bouillon or cubito. Chicken one, please. Whatever. Two tablespoons of sofrito. Two envelopes of sazon, the red one. You can find it in ShopRite. And the yellow
One
sazon.
yellow and one orange.
Two
Orange and one yellow. Sorry,
Okay.
I use different because I made only for me.
So maybe.
You just let it cook a little bit until the cubito it's all melt, all disappear.
We just wait. Now we wait.
Yeah, we have to wait.
I didn't see the chicken bouillon anymore. We can pour the rice. And then I'm gonna put 3.5 cups of water. 3 cups of rice, 3.5 cups of water.
3 cups of rice and 3.5 of water. Cups, just in case. She's measuring, but she doesn't want me to follow her, so.
No.
I'm just scared.
Okay. This is really difficult because I don't use.
Puerto Ricans don't use measuring cups or spoon or nothing.
I put a teaspoon of salt. A half a teaspoon of this. I can say it.
Me neither. Too much English.
A half a teaspoon of, or in English.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, I want to see that measuring cup for the adobo.
Oh my god. It's gonna be. ¿Le puse sal? ¿Le puse
Yeah,
sal?
you did salt.
Oh my god, look at this. It's not holy water, but I put a teaspoon.
And you need that
And you need that.
because that's what gives it the good flavor. And then you mix there, whatever you say in English.
There, move,
Mix.
mix.
Menealo. Muévelo. You're gonna be here Spanish. English and Spanish.
We turn off the water.
Yeah.
What beans? To get a.
Oh, green beans.
We have the.
Gandules.
Yeah, do it. Wait a minute.
One moment, please. And the fire is very high.
You drain the can. You drain it.
You don't need that liquid.
No. You wash it. Drain it again.
And then you pour the whole can.
And what we do again, Arlene?
Menealo.
We stir.
Suavecito.
And we're gonna let it cook in high for,
You're gonna put the lid it needs to the water
for
to
5 minutes.
evaporate, and then in 5 minutes we come back for the rice.
And we will check the rice again.
Don't be afraid that you're gonna burn it. Just 5 minutes. Puerto Ricans don't use timer.
Yeah.
So let's go back here with the chicken.
We'll put this away.
That's the number one.
I am hungry now. Ah! Friday!
She dropped everything.
Everything falling. Stop it.
This is funny. I had to record this. Because every time she puts something on the shelf, it fell.
Don't judge me. You're gonna marinate the
Oh, that's how you say sazonarlo.
marinate or sazonate or whatever the chicken. I don't use measuring. I put
A little bit.
vinegar, white vinegar.
Sorry, I got a little fancy.
Yeah, no more fancy here. I put black pepper. Ah, garlic powder.
Yep.
Again, the sazons. Oh,
I was upside down. Yep. Queda la tortilla porque si no se llega al adobo.
Oh. Oh. Adobo. You can put adobo like in holy water. Don't be afraid. I wash my hands already. You just don't see it. And I mix my chicken. Because this is how we do it. This is how the chicken should look. You can let it sit for a half an hour, 20 minutes, and then you can start frying. That's your choice. Longest time you let it marinate, better taste.
Yep.
That's for sure.
Or you can do it the night before, and then when you use it for lunch, yummy. There's gonna be a lot of flavor in the chicken.
I turn on the pan. Oh, right here. We have to wait. Okay, we're gonna stop the video.
And we come back later.
Yeah.
Here's the chicken.